So today's hike, well, doing a wild camp we are. First time together with the wife. Say hello, Laura.
Hello, Laura.
Right, so we're going to CONWY Mountain. So we're going to walk up the top of there and probably going to go and camp over there somewhere out the way so no one can see us. Okay, see you in a bit. Fan up there. Fallless Capalula Mountain. Alright, full, yeah. Over there. What? Shame about the age of 5, isn't it? Noise. Peaceful otherwise.
Can we wait on the sidelines when it's on the inside? I know that time flies, so I'll tell you, you've become my closest friend.
enjoyed that time lapse. Hopefully it worked out alright. Hopefully it came out alright. We're going to camp in just off that path just down here in the forest. Get a bit of shelter from the wind and hopefully get up and get the sunrise. See you in a bit. So we found our camping spot just here. Bit of stuff to get rid of, but apart from that it's alright. We've got great views. Should get to see the sunset in the morning as well. Sunrise, sorry. A bit noisy with the road, but that'll calm down when it gets busier a bit later. I'm not too worried about that. Something to look at, innit? Right, we'll put tent up and have a drink of vodka. See, we finally got the tent up. I did a time lapse of it. Don't know if we're going to put it on the video because it was awful. It took us ages. But there's the tent. It's only a basic mountain warehouse one. We have put it up before in the garden, or in the house. But it was a bit difficult and the ground's a bit rocky here. So I hope it's not too uncomfortable in the night. Yeah, just a basic. It said it was 130 quid, but got it for about 40 quid. I don't think it's 130. It doesn't look the best, but it'll do for tonight. Yeah, so got a great spot for camping. We're gonna have a few voddies now, a few vodkas, bit of food, and see what happens with the missus. Probably see in the morning. Might do a little bit of filming, don't know yet. See you in the morning. Ta-da. Right. Morning.
Oh, morning.
Yeah, so we're getting up now and been up for a few hours actually, but gonna catch the sunrise just over the hill there, catch the last of it. This is our camp. Great views. Sat over there last night for hours, getting hammered. Whole bottle of vodka. So a little bit of a headache this morning.
I'm still a bit pissed.
Swearing again.
Sorry.
Right, catch you at the sunrise. So we're going to call it a day now. I'm going to go pack up the tent and go and have a fryer. Isn't it?
Bye!
Right, if you liked the video, hopefully do some more wild camping again soon. It's our first time, so first proper time anyway. Yeah, so if you liked the video, give us a like and a subscribe. See you soon. Ta-ra. Leave no trace, just memories.